All aboard!
Hello and welcome to an unboxing video. And what are we unboxing today? Well, let's get on. Let's have a look. There we go. Let's see what this first box presents us with. Well, I know what it's going to present us with. If others don't. Here we go. Here we go. Now then, there we are. It's basically the Toy Story logo. There should be a box of bits. Where does one start? But ta-da! We'll have a go at making something of it in a future video. I think it will go. I think we've got all the parts there. I'll have to check. I've not got an exploded diagram. I'll check the motor in a wee while, see if that works. Right, onwards and footwards. Onwards and footwards. I'm avoiding showing addresses and shit. And here we go, here's the next one. As I say, I know what's in it. Others might not. Hang on, turn it the other way. That's not where I want to cut it anyway. There we go, that side's done. Ta-da! And hopefully, that side, there we go. Raggy good. Raggy. Anyway, here we go. I also know what this is. Oh yes. Now this was advertised as working local and service. I'll be the judge of that once we test it. I seldom believe what blurb is put on eBay. I've had the locals I've been told were working in service before. There's one of them over there. All that happens is the cab lights come on. But here we go. Hang on. Oh, that would be watch. Getting paranoid. And here we go. This one's quite a nice little chappy. Here we go. It's actually upside down in the box. But it's an Ahern. I think it's a GP knife. I'll just check. Yep, GP knife. It was an undecorated, but somebody's done it in New York Central. So that'll be a future vid as well, I think. But we'll check it first. Right, it's an Hornby turntable. Quite a grubby one. And to be honest, I think I'll check. I'll have to give it a damn good clean up. I think it's going to go in caustic soda. It does. It did turn a minute ago. Hold that steady. So yeah, it does turn. But it'll be loosened up, cleaned up. see there, the track overlaps and goes on to contacts. Like, well, like so I guess. I guess you have to press down hard to get it in one way or another. And I guess they do independent turntable tracks for it, which isn't an issue because, as Fred says, this turntable it's just going to be used for a demonstration, you know. Yeah, I'm just going to use it as a demonstration for, you know, the old beast of old, the steam locomotives, when they've finished the restorations. Do you like that? But yeah, let's see if it works first. Hell yeah! Right, now then, let's have a look if the motor works. May do, may not. Let's have a look. I'll just hold it onto the wires on me trusty Hornby controller, yada yada. Oh! Well, the motor works. So, let's have a look. What's inside the turntable? And why it's not turning? That may answer that one. Let's have a look. I've just clicked it, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have a result. Surely it can't be as easy as that, just clipping it into position. Well, actually, it is. And there you are. 1 hour working turntable. Happy days. So I think it was £14 plus postage. Working turntable for my channel. Give it a good scrub up of painting, some dabs of weathering and stuff, and happy days. There we go, happy days. That can go over there. Yeah, I don't know whether people can see on here, but the commutators had an absolute meltdown on the Toy Story loco. I reckon somebody's put a lot more volts through it than should have been, because it's properly melted and damaged. So into the bin it goes. I think I've got a spare motor, so should be solvable. Anyway, put the parts there, and that's for a later date. So in the meantime, let's go and check if the American loco works. Now then, as you can see, there is, I think it's an F unit on there, or an ABM or whatever, and that's working. So let's hang on. I'm an hooligan at times, and I'll put this GP9 on, out of sight. Now it's been advertised as a good runner. We'll see. Everything I buy is suspicious as a non-runner, but I may be proved wrong. So here we go. And yes, what a surprise. The lights have come on, as can be seen there. The lights are on, but nobody's home. So yeah, it's a non-runner. That was sold as a runner, so yeah, obviously some porcupines going on. I'm not bothered, it will be a runner. Just for my own inquisitiveness. The lights come on, so it may well be the chassis. In fact, just try a trick I'm thinking of, in case it's been loosened in post. Nope. Right, let's have a look inside. Yep, that's where it'll split, or should split. And I've got the other side. Yeah, as I suspected, the motor has moved in post. The drive shafts come out. So, should be a relatively easy fix. Although it has had some work done inside. So I'll put them there and I'll check the motor. I'll bring them over and check the motor. Turn it up full. And on there. And it should be one on that and one on that. So yeah, the motor's working. So it has been working, it's just been bumped in the Royal Mail. So there we are, that's going to be a future video. So yeah, that's about it for me unboxing. So stay tuned, there'll all be future projects and close-in future projects as well. As well as, if you're looking at my railway baseboards, I've done the second section, as you can see. Anyway, thank you for watching, and all that's to be said for now is tatty pie, everybody! Tatty pie!